How to replace a human touch Novo XT Pro Plus massage mechanism. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, zip ties, a marker, and a provided mech walking tool or power drill with a flat head bit. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. First, we'll remove the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Next, we'll remove the upper backrest. Disconnect the left and right speaker connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the upper backrest. Unzip the top of the backrest pad from the upper backrest, then remove the upper backrest from the chair. Next, we'll detach the backrest frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the backrest frame. Remove the upper, middle, and lower screws that secure the left-hand side of the backrest frame. Remove the upper, middle, and lower screws that secure the right-hand side of the backrest frame. Finally, we'll remove the massage mechanism. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen or remove the 2 screws that secure the upper white plastic massage mechanism strap bracket, then remove the bracket. Remove the lower massage mechanism strap bracket. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws on each side of the metal plate that runs across the top of the massage mechanism. Remove the metal plate. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame just to the left of the harness connectors. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness connectors together, then disconnect the connectors. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the harness, ground wire, and the other nearby cable to the chair frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the ground wire screw and washer. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the spring. If the new massage mechanism came with a mech walking tool, remove the battery cap, then attach the battery to the cable. Connect the tool to the exposed connector on the top of the massage mechanism to automatically move the mechanism up the track, lifting up on the mechanism as it moves. If you do not have a mech walking tool, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism frame. From the rear of the chair, tip the rolling motor toward you, then use a power drill with a flathead bit rotating clockwise to move the mechanism up the track. Lift the mechanism out of the track. Remove the 4 wheels from the mechanism. Now, let's replace it. First, we'll prepare the new massage mechanism for installation. Confirm that the new mechanism harness has a mark on it 13 inches from the mechanism end of the harness. If it does not, use a marker to mark it. Place the 4 wheels you removed from the old mechanism onto the new mechanism. If you do not have a mech walking tool, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism. Next, we'll install the new mechanism. With the massage mechanism arms facing forward, slide the massage mechanism rollers into the track. If you have a mech walking tool, connect it to the exposed connector at the top of the massage mechanism to automatically move the mechanism down the track. Make sure the yellow limit switch is positioned below the white magnet on the track. If you do not have a mech walking tool, using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it counterclockwise to move the massage mechanism down the track. Note you must have removed the 4 Allen screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism before installing it to use this option. Make sure the yellow limit switch is positioned below the white magnet on the track. Replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws to secure the rolling motor to the mechanism, then use a 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the screws. Place the lower plastic bracket into position over the mechanism strap, aligning the screw holes, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Repeat this step to replace the upper plastic bracket. Replace the metal plate with the tabs facing upward, then replace and hand tighten the 4 screws. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Next, we'll reattach the backrest frame. Replace and partially tighten the screws that secure the top and side backrest frame screws on the left side of the chair, then fully tighten the screws. Repeat this step to replace the top and side screws on the right side of the chair. Next, we'll secure the massage mechanism. Route the mechanism harness behind both horizontal metal frames. Place the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the chair frame. Connect the harness connectors, then use a new zip tie to secure the connection. Cut the excess zip tie. Using 2 new zip ties, secure the harness, ground wire, and the other nearby cable to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Using a new zip tie, secure the harness to the chair frame just to the left of the connectors. Cut the excess zip tie. Thread a new zip tie through the hole in the chair frame just to the left of the previous zip tie, then secure the harness to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip tie. Thread a new zip tie through the hole at the end of the spring, then secure it tightly to the harness at the marked location. Cut the excess zip tie. Next, we'll replace the upper backrest. Note the horseshoe bracket on each side of the upper backrest. Note the corresponding post on each side of the chair. Slide the brackets over the posts to attach the upper backrest to the chair. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the upper backrest. Replace the 2 screws to secure the upper backrest to the chair. Connect the speaker cables on the left and right side of the chair. Finally, we'll replace the back cover. Note the 2 largest tabs on the bottom of the back cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots, raise the back cover, then lower the cover slightly to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Raise the back cover into position, then replace and partially tighten the 6 screws. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.